your boy Aman and you're watching our channel AmaanofficiaXRapidbox, and it's been so long since I posted my last video on YouTube, and hope you guys love it. And before we get into this, I would like to ask you how you guys doing, wearing masks, staying safe from COVID, following our protocols. So before this video is like unboxing. I'm gonna unbox a pair of shoes from Rapidbox which was sent to me yesterday, and these were so cool and their collection is so satisfying. There is a app on Play Store called Rapidbox, and there is a website too. Go and check it out. I'm gonna put in their link in the description. Hope you guys love it. Before we get into this, I would like to ask you guys, if you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share. If you are already subscriber, ignore those background voices, they are so noisy and creepy. So Rapidbox guys have just sent me some cool and official launch of their shoes to be one pair, and they are super cool. You will unbox it and see how it goes. And you guys make sure to check their website and app on Play Store called Rapidbox. They have cool and latest fashion wear like shoes and wearables like clothes,